Hey guys, this is Chris with marketingintelligence.com and I'm more like to welcome you to another great video, and I'm sure just by the title you're very curious to see what it's all about. As the title says, you can make money by just watching Netflix. Lay back on the couch, put your feet up, bring some popcorn on, Netflix on, watch a movie and make money. How that sounds, guys? Before you get really excited about it, there is a catch though. I will talk to you about in a second. Before I go ahead and start this video, let me ask you to stay to the end just to show you my #1 recommendation on how you can make money online. If you like the content of this video, click the subscribe and let's go ahead and start. Okay guys, with no further ado, because I know people are excited for this, I want you to go to your Google and see what's all about it. Yeah, actually, go to Google and type Netflix Tiger, which is the actual, as you can see here guys, this actual position. Netflix Tiger pay, the salary, the position in UK, the requirements in Canada, in Deutschland is in different countries. So let me go here. It says this post was only a couple of weeks ago. There is a job that lets you watch Netflix all day long, and here's how you can apply. This is about Netflix. And if you come here, have you ever dreamed getting paid just to sit around and watch TV all day? Yeah, baby. If yes, we have a perfect job opportunity for you, although it might sound like one of these sketch internet scams. Rest assured, it's actually not. So it's not a scam, guys. It's an actual job that you can get on Netflix. And the role of Netflix Tiger is caught some attention this week. Of course, it caught attention. Everybody wants to do this job. Let me scroll down. Our job is very much like being a librarian, making sure things are classified accurately, but you also have the broad knowledge of basis of how TV shows or movies are related, and if they look together good in your own site. So pretty much, as far as I understand, these guys need to make sure that whatever from the menu of Netflix you choose, like the genre, if it's an action movie, comedy and so on, and if it's put there, they need to make sure that it's matching right. So the good news is the company is hiring for editorial analysts right now. Okay, the catch though is, because I check about this, it's not too many positions, not in all countries, but you have nothing to lose, guys. I already checked for my country. Unfortunately, I could not find anything. And how you do that? Google Netflix Tiger, enter, there we are, and automatically you're gonna see Netflix jobs, which is gonna be the first link. Click here. It brings you to the official page of Netflix, which is a great workplace, combines exceptional colleagues and hard problems together. And what I would like you to do, on the search jobs by keyword, just type Tiger. Let's see, was something showing up? Yeah, okay. There you go, guys. Look for your country. It's gonna be different jobs there. Look for your country and see if there is something applicable. Follow the instructions, click on the job description and go for it. If you do get the job, don't forget you get it through marketingintelligence.com, and don't forget your friend Chris that suggested this. For those who get it, I'm really jealous. I know, as far as I read, I think the jobs pays a little bit, about $16 in case you are curious, but again, depends on the country and so on. So that's the video today, guys. Really excited about this. It's a job that just came out. Watch TV, watch series, watch Narcos if you haven't. It's amazing. And then a lot of popcorns, start making money. I hope you like the content of this video. As always, we're trying to find the best way. This is a lazy way to make money, guys, but if you want to and you are serious to make some good passive income to resolve your financial issues and problems, and #1 recommendation for me, as always, is to click the link below this video. My #1 recommendation on the description below this video. Click, follow, nothing to lose, guys. Even if you get the Netflix jobs, if you're one of the lucky ones, spend some time. It's free. go for it, start making some money, change your life, make some income. If you like the content of this video, I do like to ask you to click the subscribe. It's always on the right side, the small subscribe button. Click the subscribe, click the like. I'll see you in the next videos. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.